Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you've sent money on CAPITEC and realized it was a mistake. Or maybe you transferred to the wrong person. If it wasn't a debit order, you've got options to get that money back. Let me walk you through exactly how to do it. Step 1. Open your CAPITEC app and log in with your credentials, then navigate to your transaction history where you'll see all recent transfers and payments. Step 2. Locate the specific transaction you want to reverse by scrolling through your history until you find it, then tap on it to view the full details including the recipient and amount. Step 3. Look for the reverse or recall option within the transaction details screen, which should appear as a button or menu option allowing you to initiate the reversal process. Step 4. Select Reverse Transaction and confirm your identity through whatever security method CAPITEC requires, whether that's a PIN, fingerprint, or one-time password from your email or phone. Step 5. Review the reversal request one more time to ensure you're reversing the correct transaction, then submit it, and you should receive confirmation that your reversal has been initiated. The money typically returns within 1 to 3 business days depending on the receiving bank and their processing times.